Hello guys and gals, Roman is here. In today's video I'd like to show you how to make a mini vacuum cleaner. First, we need 3 syringes, 2 50 ml and another 1 ml syringe. A small motor, I took it from a DVD drive. It already has a disc holder. It will make installing the turbine blades a bit easier. A dishwashing metal sponge. If you want to use our vacuum for gathering big rubbish, like seashells or crumbs, you will need a metal sponge. But if you're thinking of using it to gather dust and such, you may use cotton or a simple sponge. 1 plastic bottle and a piece of tin, which you may cut out from a can. USB wire or a power supply. Such a device may be powered specifically by a power supply or through USB cable. But our vacuum cleaner will have both options, because our power supply has a USB input, piece of a hacksaw, glue gun and a few other tools. Now we will prepare the dust gathering capsule. Remove the plunger and cut our syringe at the 30 ml mark. We don't need these parts anymore. Cut off these 2 noses and glue the 2 syringes this way. We should get such a blank. Then take an 8 mm drill bit and make a through hole in the center. Now we should make a nose for our mini vacuum cleaner. First, cut off the neck of a plastic bottle. Glue it to the syringe. Untwist the lid. Drill a small hole. Cut the top of the insulin syringe. Pass it through. And fix it. The dust gathering section is ready. To clean it, we just need to untwist the lid, use a metal hook, pull out the sponge, and clean off the dust. Then just put it back.